Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quiz. To tell you in this tutorials how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device, any iPhones that are locked to owners, and asking here, enter the polite and password that were used to set up this device. How do you easily erase permanently the situation if you are having? Then go for similar strategy. I assure you 100% so you will be able to unlock quickly. So once again, I would like to check it out. See here, this one's very clear. Now, first and foremost, if you are having these kind of the situations, then what do you have to do? First and foremost, you will have to especially open iTunes. Let's have the configuration in an Apple data cloud base. So let's open. What's the thing after accessing the data? If it is locked to owners, that's because this device is the CAM2 to unlock plan. Of course, we would like to record live here so that maybe helpful anyone who is confused or increased to learn. So now here, see, it's going to the connects, but of course it's taking time. It's assessing iTunes stores data. What do you say, guys? Here, say if the screenshot was lost, erase into the applied password that were used to set up this device. Either you know ID, you know password, then you can add. Otherwise, you can't. You don't know the what's the actual ID and actual password without you would like to. So in a case, also this device will be unlocked when it is in the stolen, lost, blacklisted mode, or you have gotten anywhere. So someone who has stolen and given to you to unlock it. Safely you can unlock it. How? But this is only for institution purpose, guys. First and foremost, we will come in especially 3U tool. In 3U tool, we will come in a toolbox. We have one option that is a crash analysis. So it's very easy way. Connect to your data cable. Go in the inside. There will be some file that we will have to delete anyhow. So of course, these three all file we have deleted. I don't know is it visible or not, but check it out, guys. Here, yeah, it's clear. Fine, after deleting, so what we will do, guys, here on the other hand, we have a one. Once again, we will back after deleting this, and we will come on a simply imagine PC where it is. We don't have, no, we will have especially we will write here imagine PC and it will come, so don't worry. I've installed this software. Now this one's just we will go for energy administration. So this tool is a very essential also. What are the retaining all data that I had already attempted to clear by the crash analysis. Now second we will approach via especially that is a very simple strategy via here this console clearings we will approach. So see it's not connected, so once again we will disconnect and we will try to connect. So it's taking a little bit delay response, so now it has been connected. Just we will come on a show device console we have here. We will try to clear, we will try to clear at least 20 times. You will have to approach, guys, otherwise of course you will have the problem. At least 20 times, so 5 6 7. Just we will cancel, so we will go for here clear. Now in a after 10 times, then of course we will back here. We'll go for here, let's clear. Now clear, now clear. Yes, almost we have the clear. Now see, this is everything is magic of precise and customized locations with navigations properly way in an iCloud database, and of course it will be unlocked. Just I tell you, don't worry. Now what we will do, guys, here almost we have done 20 times. We will have to come in especially here. Simply we will come in a will back, and of course we have a REC. So here once again I would like to confirm so that see here we will back and check it out, and we will come in a console, and where it is, it will notify you again and again that it is locked to owner. Yeah, anything else, don't worry. Let me come console clearings. Yes, here is a data. just a little bit. It is going to see him. We will back and we will clear. Yes, we will cancel it and we will clear. See, almost clear. We will come on here. On this we have REC mode. Hit this ones properly way, and now we can check it out here. This one console clearing. Yes, we will come just to clear. So see here a little bit. It has here. See, not responding now. It has been hanged. Almost it has been the clear. So that's what happens. So now we will come on a 3U tool, guys, and here in 3U tool, just to see imaging PC cam here, we will come on here in a device 2 here. Let's come. It is now in the recovery. Just we will go in a flash. So flash 2, of course, we have to download. That's a IPSW 16.7 points, especially 11s. You can import or download. Directly you can download. Before execution of all things, you can download, otherwise of course directly we can import. So just we will try to import this version because I had already downloaded. So we will wait here. Just it's hanged, guys, not responding. Maybe some reasons. Now I kept this file in here in let me back where. Yes, IPSW, and what is the file's number? That is a 16.7.1, 16.7.1, and last one is a 16. This version just we will try to impose, and of course here just we can close it. Yes, we will come on a console. Let's clear. So almost see till the date of today is coming. Now there is no any data files, so almost we will close it, no problem at all. Because multiple software, if we use in a one time, so then computer is going to little slow, or it makes a slow of your PC, laptops. So just you need a one device, that's a computer, PC, desktop, and apply a similar strategy. You will be able to get the quickest results. How it will total estimated time can be after, of course, 20 minutes and less than 25 minutes. So now see, it has been imported. We'll have to pick this quick flash mode. Don't use the retainer user data because there will be no benefit to the clear of the console as well as the crash analysis data. Anti-recovery don't go for it, will take much more time. Fixed flash means it will damage. If iOS would be damaged, then that condition of course we will go for. Now here I had selected, just we will go for here. Don't select the fixed battery during the health, and here this one, and of course now we can close these items, not required, and leave it at the same situation of. And now see what are the errors coming, and then of course we will resolve, and of course step by step check it out, guys. It's a crystal clear files here. As we see, we would like to show you here. Let's see. Now it's extracting the software, and thereupon of course we will see when it will cross the especially more than 35%, then of course you will have to understand that it has taken in a Apple database or cloud database server, that there is no any data, there is no retaining particles, there is no residues, any especially either any amount of the data that is available on this device. So due to that and due to privacy of it in iCloud database, it will be a link to an upload. So almost we have reached on the 18%. Further we will see, don't worry. Yes, so 20% is 10% is more we need, guys. That's all. Today this device, and they especially came at myself to the unlocks, and I'm trying to the unlocks right now. But of course this is a old one's device, so that will be easy to unlock, so don't worry, guys. But we will see any error will come, so then exceptional experience we would be able to of course get. So that's why actually I decided to record it, and of course directly it would be uploaded on this channel particular. So to know more information related to Apple supports as well as especially Google supports, and then of course you can subscribe this channel, share this contents, may be beneficial for someone who is intended to have this kind of the information, guys, in an information technology field. So now it has reached on a more than 31%, means of course surely I can say that it has accepted, it has granted that there is no any link, there is no any especially data that is retained on it. It's an application, either it is of course photos, any important of course Apple links. And of course it's also assured us that it is not installed in lost or blacklisted. Now only once I confuse that, and I will confirm you that at the end of this tutorial by executing a 2-3 crucial step, that it is in seem invalid or is there any network carrier lock or not. So that's things, of course, if it will, then also I will fix up those things at the end of this tutorial, guys, because as we know that step by step we will have to, and this thing will be tested, will be navigated, will be of course examined after this, when this will notify that congratulations, this everything has been completed or clean and flushed, then of course further we will go for. So 2-3 crucial steps at the end of this tutorial. Without touching on this device, of course I will show you how you transfer the new Apple ID and password is visible directly on this device, and it will not ask you any initial step that connect to your Wi-Fi, connect to your, select the region, select the country, select the any kind of the security. Directly it will be going in menu options. Is it possible? Of course, this can be possible, but you will have to watch the till the end of this tutorial, because if you would like to have the proper information about that, you would like to have the background of it, that if you are a shopkeeper and you are the planning to especially unlocks the Apple's raise especially, then go for similar strategy and do step by step. If you are unable to get it in the one's terms, and then of course watch carefully, note down, and then of course go for ahead further. Now 2-3 are the precautions that I would like to tell you right now here. It's very essential to know. See, these two 3U tool, firstly requirement. The requirement is a 3U tool, Imaging PC and iTunes. These things, and fourth one, Vita version of iOS. If Vita version is not available of any particular device, for any particular device, then go for by a 3U tools recommendation, IPSW or iOS, where these thing is very important, that firmware we will have to download, iOS we will have to download before execution of it. You should have this especially half an hour time, so because if any error will come, then you will have to address it also. Third things, that you have to know that manually how would you especially push this device from, yes, normal to recovery or DFU, because it will stuck on a DFU or recovery, then you will have to manually exit of it, or if it is stuck on Apple logo, then you will have to put manually, because when it will trap in there or stuck on Apple logo, then what will happen, guys, all the especially iDevice management tool that we are using here, that won't be functional. So that's why. And another thing, that we will have to use the data cable that should be a good quality, spontaneously internet connection always connected with especially your PC or laptops. There should be no any SIM card inside of especially on this particular iPhones when we proceeding, and you should have a additional internet connections. Why? Because if not configured in an Apple database, cloud database server, and giving any error at the end of this tutorials, then you will have to change it. However, if it is not especially accepted, or no, however it's giving error, then you will have to use the virtual private networks, and by using these things you will have to customize, go for precise location of your PC or laptops. What should be a precise location? Precise location should be especially, you will have to identify, you will have to recognize that what's the sales area code of this device, or by a serial number, by IEMI number on a screen there will be a app info icons, especially there. If you click, then you will get a serial number or IEMI number. By that, enter on a particular website that I will give you links there, and get it all the information that it is stolen, lost, blacklisted, yeah, unavailable, or anything option that is especially spontaneously purchasing all the information you will get it. And sales area you will get. After getting the sales area on a 3U tool also you will get this phone basically from the New Zealand. And that in that condition, of course, you will have to use that. You will have to customize the precise location of the New Zealand on your PC particular, don't on especially your phones. And thereupon, when you will be completely unlocked in this device, then if network area is locked, it still comes, then once again you will have to come to true or genuine location. So all the things will be restored and you will get a particular location, particular networks. So we have reached on the 70%. We will have to wait the further space length of the 30 minutes. But now, client, of course, see how quickly it has been jumped. So now, clean flash has been completed. This device will restart and reboot. So just we will go 4K, and of course we will come on here. And what we will do here, guys, simply we will maximize and let's check it out. Wait for this option, batch activation. So this thing is skip the whole the setting of the region, language, Wi-Fi, location, Apple ID, Touch ID, Face ID, all kind of the cloud ID, of course the anything, guys. Everything we will skip. So it has notified there. It has been highlighted. Within the 20 seconds, we will have to jump here. We will have to go for here under activation first. Don't go for both in a one time because sometimes it's giving an error. So in a one time, do it one thing so that of course it will strongly execute it. Almost we are here. Further we will take the 5 minute more, guys, and everything will be especially completed. Don't worry, almost we have done. Almost we have done, guys. Just it is under the activation, so let it, and then of course we will go for here. Wait here, guys. We will have to wait here. Don't do anything additional here, otherwise you will have a problem. The problem is that here is an error coming, so then we will have to change the internet connection. Once again we will have to execute it. Once again error is coming. However, error is coming, so then that condition once again we will have to go with precise customized location. So successfully it has done. Now we will go for OK, and upon of course we will come in a deactivation strategy. Let's confirm by hitting these options. So see here, we are here, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it would be highlighted. Hit this ones. Now we are deactivation. This thing also procedure has been done. Now what we will do, guys, here, simply just we will come in a batch activation one more time. We will have to select the all, both, and hit this one, hit this ones, and we are on a here now. So see, it's executing. On the other hand, of course we will go for open these items and see it was done and these things gone. What's the magically happens, guys? This is a trick, guys. There is a glass behind of us. Of course, go ahead, and fantastically easy way you would be expert to the White House. Now see, this iTunes is also indicating that welcome to new device. What do you say that? If you don't want to touch on this device and you would like to transfer the new Apple ID, this can be also possible. How it is? Simply we will come to sign in, go for sign in to the create new Apple ID. Let's. Now it's accessing a data, guys, and it will be trapped in iCloud, but not so going, so guys. What you say there? Just we will go for continue. Once again we will come in a sign in to, of course we will come in a create, and let's see. Now you have the golden opportunity, strong opportunity to the creates a new Apple ID password, confirms a new password, select the country and the region, of course term and condition by confessing you will directly transfer this ID here. And here this clue I would like to tell you here, SIM card I did not insert it, but of course we will go for here in setting 2. I would like to check it out. See here, guys, what do you say? I don't know, it's coming clear or not, but check it out. There is no any, it's asking, guys. Once again I would like to confirm. You see, It's asking connect to the internet, of course, to sign into your device. There is no internet connection, means we will have to insert the SIM card, then go for generate a new Apple ID and password here. And if I go for here passcode and password, then let's say I would like to check it out here. All the thing has been disabled. So what do you say, guys? This is all about, and yes, we can directly transfer to this area. Let's insert the SIM card. If the SIM card is not actually functioning, then yes, this thing also I would like to mention you. How do you? Just we will come in a virtual location option, and of course we have to go in a true genuine location of it. So hit this once. Yes, this device will be rebooted, and of course it will store all the genuine location of your local area of this device. So this is all about, guys. How do you like these tutorials? And of course you will have to drop the feedback below the comment box, guys. And any confusion, any query, blindly have the query, the pleasure will be mine to the reply of the query, guys, according to the situation. Of course we will address the issues. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye. Now see directly the camera, especially home screen. Now see, gone. So thank you, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.